Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add automatic Roman numbering table in Google Docs. So get started. At first, open your Google Docs document. In this video, I will show add automatic Roman numbering table. Now going to the firstly insert from table. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now select from table option. Now select from row and columns. Now you can see, then show the insert from table. Now select from in row option, then going to the numbering option, numbering list menu option, then select from or one numeral option. That it's. Now you can see, then I can select from others saw. Now select from number list menu option, then select from or one numeral option. That it's. Now you can see add automatic Roman numbering table in Google Docs document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.